What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fake Boujie. In today's video, I'm going to do a review of my Teddy Blake bag. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, but let's get right into it. So as you all know, I did a collab with Teddy Blake a few months back, and they sent me a really cute bag of my choice. And for that video, I decided on the Ava Gold and White, and this is a 9-inch, and I absolutely loved the bag. If you did not catch my initial review, make sure you click the link in the description box and it will take you right to that video. So you might want to watch that video, before you watch this one. So I wanted to update you guys on the bag, if I still like it or not, if I still use it often, and what stood out most about it. If you all watched my initial review of this bag and the Teddy Blake brand, you all would know that Teddy Blake is a New York based company, but the bags are made of genuine leather from Italy, and these bags are designed by top-notch designers who have years of experience, but still in love with this bag, y'all. So the reason I chose white is because I wanted a bag that was super versatile. As you all know, I do have a lot of bags. This isn't even half of them, honestly, but I needed something that I could literally just pick up and go with, and this bag being white is perfect. But not only that, I also chose the Ava style with the gold hardware because I love it. It's something sleek but also chill. I felt like I would be able to mix and match it with different styles, whether I was going to the grocery store or going on like a date night. You can literally pair it with nearly anything, and I haven't had an issue pairing it with any type of outfit since I got the bag. As far as the craftsmanship, like I said, this is top-notch quality. It is made of genuine Italian leather. So the hardware, still perfect. I have a couple scratches, but what you would normally expect. Same thing I have with like some of my Gucci bags or my Louis Vuitton or whatever. The hardware will get a little scuff, but you can't tell. Like literally, I can only tell because it's my bag and I look at it all the time. But other than that, everything is still perfect. The leather is in mint condition. I do wear this bag often, actually. It's heavily in rotation amongst my bags, and I will say it stood up pretty nicely, especially with it being white. I haven't had to clean it at all, y'all. I've never cleaned this bag, and I've had it for 6 months, y'all. Never cleaned it once. Still holding up really well. The structure and form is still great, so you know it's A1 craftsmanship. And I love that it has the feet at the bottom. Having the feet really helps it to stay clean because it is white. So definitely get into this. Everything, y'all, like I said, is still just perfect. And I'm going to show you all the inside just so you can see that everything is still great. Even the shoulder strap, nothing wrong with anything at all. No stains or anything in the bag. I do not use a bag insert with this one just because it's so compact like this. I mean, you really don't need one. You don't need organization in a small bag, in my opinion, especially not in this one because you have 2 pockets on the inside with the Teddy Blake Ava. And so for this bag, literally not one stain, like nothing wrong, y'all. And the inside is suede, so just keep that in mind. So you know it is like wonderful quality, y'all. The handle, everything, like I have 0 complaints with this bag. Everything is still super perfect. And when I tell y'all this bag is in heavy rotation, I really do mean that. So not only will I wear it to like the grocery store or something like that, I've worn it on like chaperoning a field trip with my daughter. I've worn this bag on out-of-town trips, so like through the airport, on the plane, all of that. And I usually prefer to take like a larger bag, but this one is actually great. I love that it has versatility, so you can hold it as a top handle, or you can do the shoulder strap, however you want to play with that. And super love it. That's probably why I wear it so much. Like it goes with everything and it's versatile. So you literally get everything good in every world. with this Teddy Blake Ava. And y'all, they have so many different styles. The reason I wanted to update you all on the bag is because they're actually having a sale right now. So for Easter, for 5 days, April 15th through the 19th, they will be having a sale on their website, teddyblake.com, for up to 75% off. So make sure you all go and check that out. If they give me a discount code, I will definitely list it in the description box below. And I will also have links to, again, some of my favorite styles and their website and sales listed below in the description box as well. But if you all do decide to stop by Teddy Blake's website and pick something up, definitely take a look at the Ava collection in the 9-inch. They also have an 11-inch, I believe, and it's about this much bigger than this one, but it's so cute. And same basically everything style, just a little bit larger. I actually do have Teddy Blake on my Mother's Day list. Mother's Day is coming up, as well as, like I said, Easter. So make sure you all check out their Easter sale, which again is going on April 15th through the 19th with sales of up to 75% off. So make sure you all check that out. Again, links in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay bougie.